Namar makwa kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri pop sudah. Himdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Chuang mem ta. Ngali ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kwa ban niap bak cingdum.
Indam la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Namar ka Jingkiewdor jong Umphniang hakal leng kiri ka partai, namar ka Jingkyrpad at Middle East. Unong aktin ka BGP uba M Karkarang, hakat santarek ujemang aja pan rio, ula kentui kipat ba, bikin Shah Skhor, ya ka Jingkyrpad jong menteri rang ba kari, Narendra Modi. Ban pentip, kumno ban ken show ken tiam, pat ban ampelut petan hakikam bam syolier. Haka Jingkyrpad bekilap tai kubur, uba Karkarang ulaong, bak Sorkar la Pyrshang ban Khanglad, ya ka Jingkiewdor, jong ko Umphniang petrol. Kat haduk bagi company dia Umphniang, kila mat ke jingdu unong, daki hajar kelur tingka, man lakas ngi. Bahkan sampai ruk kapur, bahkan omla asyuk ban kerda, on lapai ke kutlat.
The government has been trying to prevent any hike in the petrol prices to the extent that oil companies are incurring losses worth of thousands of crores every day. And it has come a time they will not be able to sustain themselves anymore. So this is happening throughout it's a worldwide phenomenon, and because of the crisis in the Middle East. So I think so it's not isolated to India alone, and it's a worldwide phenomenon. So I think so we have to accept that. See, what is happening in the Middle East is beyond the control of the country. I mean, the government and central government. It's beyond the control of the central government. So these things does affect. So we have to bear with it, and I hope so the people also they heed to the austerity measures that the Prime Minister had requested on the citizens of the country, so that we prevent foreign exchange from leaving the country, and whatever foreign exchange we have, it stays within the country. And so I hope so the people and the citizens of India heed to what the Prime Minister has requested, and so that ultimately we all have to fight this together. You know, it's not about the government, the central government, or BHP government, or any government. As a country, we have to bear this, and we have to fight together. You see, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. It is beyond the control of Delhi on this matter. Okay? This is beyond the control. This war. I mean, anyone would want this war to end. All peace-loving countries would want this war to end, because it's affecting the trade and the economy of almost all countries in the world. So we just, I mean, government, central government must be taking a lot of measures so that the only solution I can see is that the war in the Middle East comes to a stop. That is the only solution I can see.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.